Sunlight barely touched the ground, a world so dense that even the sky disappeared behind endless leaves, a place where every sound could mean life or death. This was the rainforest. For ancient humans, it wasn't paradise. It was one of the most dangerous places on Earth. Yet somehow they survived. Long before cities, kingdoms or written history, small groups of humans stepped into these green labyrinths. No roads, no maps, no way to see what waited just a few meters ahead. Every tree hid a mystery. Every shadow concealed a hunter. Venomous snakes blended perfectly with fallen leaves. Massive cats stalked silently through the undergrowth. Crocodiles waded beneath muddy rivers. Swarms of insects carried deadly diseases. The rainforest didn't attack with one enemy. It attacked from every direction. Even finding food was a deadly gamble. One fruit could save a life. Another could end it within hours. One mushroom nourished the body. Another poisoned the mind. Ancient humans learned through painful trial and error. Every mistake became a lesson written in survival. Water was everywhere, but clean drinking water was surprisingly rare. Hidden parasites and dangerous bacteria turned calm streams into invisible traps. They discovered flowing water was often safer than stagnant pools. Knowledge became their greatest weapon. Building shelter was another battle. The ground crawled with insects. Floods could arrive without warning. Predators roamed at night, so humans built temporary shelters from branches, giant leaves, and flexible vines. Some even slept above the ground, out of reach of many dangers below. But darkness brought an entirely different nightmare. As the sun vanished, the forest awakened. Eyes reflected in the darkness. Strange screams echoed between ancient trees. Unknown creatures moved just beyond the firelight. No one knew what was watching. Fire changed everything. It frightened many predators. It dried wet clothes, cooked dangerous foods, boiled questionable water, and transformed fear into hope. But keeping fire alive inside a rainforest was incredibly difficult. Heavy rain could erase hours of hard work in minutes. Protecting a single flame became as important as protecting life itself. Hunting required patience rather than strength. Dense vegetation made long-distance attacks impossible. Ancient hunters crafted sharp wooden spears, they built hidden traps, used poisoned plant extracts, and worked together in complete silence. The rainforest rewarded teamwork. It punished isolation. Communication became survival. Simple gestures, quiet whistles, bird-like calls allowed hunters to move without revealing their location. The forest itself became their language. Plants were more than food. They became medicine, natural antiseptics, pain relievers, even deadly poisons for hunting. Over generations, ancient humans built an extraordinary understanding of thousands of species. Knowledge passed from elders to children became more valuable than any weapon. Rainforests constantly changed. Floods reshaped rivers, storms destroyed camps, trees crashed without warning. Humans learned to move with the forest. Instead of trying to control it, they became masters of adaptation, not conquerors. Every sunrise meant another chance. Every sunset meant another test. Every day survived was another victory against one of Earth's greatest challenges. The rainforest was never truly defeated. It remained wild, unpredictable, and merciless. But ancient humans discovered something even stronger than fear: curiosity, cooperation, and the incredible ability to learn. They didn't survive because the rainforest became safer. They survived because they became smarter. And perhaps the greatest secret hidden beneath the rainforest canopy was never the dangerous animals or the poisonous plants. It was the remarkable story of how the human mind adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. The rainforest tried to break them,